Hello folks, Brandon here with Slingmods.com, and today we have our two-piece Can-Am Spyder key cover. If you're like us, you probably find it rather annoying that the factory Can-Am Spyder key doesn't have a key ring hole. This makes these expensive keys rather easy to lose or misplace. So we partnered up with Chrome Accessories to bring you a very simple and cost-effective solution to this problem. This two-piece plastic clamshell cover simply snaps around your factory Spyder key and even includes a barrel lock key ring that can be inserted here through the hole of your new key cover and then threaded back together. And that's it. You now have a protective case and key ring on your Spyder key. Now, if this mod's right for you, head on over to slingmods.com today and grab one or even two for yourself. This mod also makes for a great gift idea for a fellow Spyder rider. I'm Brandon signing out. We'll see you on the road.